Hi everyone, this is Vic once again. I hope you enjoyed my previous lesson on quarter notes and eighth notes. This time around, we're going to be learning 16th note. All right, 16th note. So the answer is in the word itself, 16. So you're going to hit 16 times. Very simple, right? The last time quarter notes we hit 4 times, and then the eighth note we hit 8 times, and now 16th notes we're going to hit 16 times. It's not that difficult. It's very, very simple. I'm going to show you right here, right now. So stay tuned. Great. Now that we are back, we're all set, and I'm set too. Okay, before we start, the last time we counted quarter notes, right? We counted as 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the eighth note, we counted as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For 16th note, and we're going to count as 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a, right? So if you look at the diagram below, it shows you right that. So 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. To understand better, right, we started with quarter notes. Okay, so every quarterly we hit. Now, we divided the quarter note into 2. When we divide, we got 2 of the eighth notes, right? This 2 we hit twice, didn't we, right? Every quarter had 2. We divided into half. Now, and then we divided the eighth notes into another half. It turned out to be 16 notes. So it became 1, 2, and then 4 quarterly, every quarter. 4 hits. So a total of 4 times 4 pulses became 16 notes. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it became 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it became 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. I hope you're clear with that, right? Let's continue. Let's try that now on the snare drum. All right, we're going to play it on the snare drum. It's just going to be right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's very simple. So try to count and play. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. And we're going to play 4 measures. So the same bar, going to play it 4 measures. Let's try that now. I hope you understood that. Now, let's try the same rhythm, okay, same method on the hi-hat. All right, so the same technique. So we're going to play right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right? Let's try that now. Next up, we're going to add in the kick drum as usual. So where is the kick drum going to be played on? It's going to be played on every quarter. So which are the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So while the hi-hat is going on, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a boom, 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 boom. That's what we're going to do. Let's try that now. All right, next up, we're going to add in the snare drum. Where are we going to add the snare drum? The second and fourth beat. Right, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. How are we going to do that? Oh, I'm playing with both my hands on the hi-hat. How am I going to hit the snare drum? Simple, right? 1 E and a. When it comes to the 2, you're going to move your right hand down and hit it on the snare. So 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Right? You're just going to move your hand down. I'll show you now. Let's try that. Okay, good. Now, we played that at a tempo of 60 BPM, 60. Okay, 60 beats per minute. Now, we're going to increase the tempo. We're going to play it at 80 BPM. Shall we try that? Let's do that now. Great. Now that we got the groove settled, we're going to add in fills, F-I-L-L-S. I'm sure many of you know what fills are. Right, we're going to fill on the fourth bar. What are the fills? Right now, we're going to keep it very simple. We are just going to play it on the snare drum. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Right, let's try that now. Great. Now, second fill. It's going to be on the 8th bar. Okay, what is a fill? Same fill, but we're going to play it on the snare. First, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Very simple. Let's try that. Now, we're going to add the first 4 bars and the second 4 bars. So we have a total of 8 bars. Okay, so the first fill, first 3 bars, groove, and then we're going to play a fill on the snare on the 4th bar, and then 5th bar, 6th bar, 7th bar, and the 8th bar, we're going to play a fill, the same fill we played earlier on the snare, first tom, second tom, and third tom, right? And we're going to end it with a crash, right, on the last beat. So ta 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 crash. We're going to try that. Let's do that. All right, everyone, we have come to the end of this tutorial. It's very sad to let you all go, but nevertheless, I have other videos on quarter notes and eighth notes. I do have videos on gospel chops. I have videos on linear drumming, fills, and so on and so forth. If you can, please watch them. Do subscribe to my channel. You like it, and please do leave your comments at the comment section below, and I'll reply to you anytime soon. Till then, take good care, stay safe, and stay healthy. Goodbye.